Hey everybody, I will do another problem, and today we will do the same thing that we did last time. We have a 2 points, right? And so um, we will actually find the equation of the line of this points like this, right? So we have here we got a little different. So we have the first point and we have the second point. So I don't remember last time if we had a negative in between. But anyway, so let's get this working. Okay, so first step one, right? Step one, we'll find the slope, correct? So the slope on this is what? It is formula is m equal to y2 over y2 minus y1, right? So in this case would be one negative one. So it would be a negative one minus here when you gotta be careful, right? So gotta be careful when you do this because here you got negative one, right? So y2 minus y1, you got negative one, and then you got a minus and then a minus a negative 2, right? Because, and this is because m equal to y2 this is because m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2. So here you got over x2 minus x1, right? So I think everybody agree with that. So that's why we have here that 2 is a negative. So we got a negative 1 minus a negative 1. So which at the end is going to be still a positive. So it's going to be still a positive. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it this way. So okay, so then we come here and we go, okay, we go what? We go 5 minus 3, right? So when we get the top done, we get what? We get negative 1, and then that negative times the negative right here, you can see all you do is multiplying that negative times a negative, and that becomes a plus 2, right? So it becomes a negative 1 plus 2 over plus 2, right? Which is over, and then we do the bottom with bottom at 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, right? Which at the end, this is equal to what? Is equal to 1/2. right? So that is the slope. Okay. So now what would we do here? So now what we do is, okay, so to see where is the y-intercept, we do the following, right? So we do the following. We do so we do the following. We do y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1, right? And then we plot the numbers, right? So what is y1? Y1 is a -2, correct? And x1 is a 3, right? So now, okay. So we do what? We do, here we do y minus, right? And then we do minus 2, okay, so sorry guys, this is okay. So now here we do minus a -2, right? And then we do m is 1/2, right? So m is equal to 1/2, and then we do 3, right? I think that's what it is. Yes. So here we get what? We get x. So this is x. Okay. And then this is a -3. All right. So yes, because the reason why it's a -3 is simply because it's a +3, right? So now we do the following. So now what we do is right here, we do y plus 2, right? Equal to 1/2 x, 1/2 x minus 3/2. Right? So here we're not even done yet. So here we actually need to solve. We need to subtract 2 on both sides. Right? We subtract 2 on both sides, and we get what? We get y equal to 1/2 x minus 3 minus 3/2 minus 3/2 minus 2. Right? So now it seems like we will get in some y-intercept. Okay, so here we come in and say, okay, so here we can actually find the common denominator. we cannot just add this three halves and this. So we have to find the common denominator, right? So you can actually find the common denominator for this two, I think, just that. And yeah, I mean, you can do it either way. You can actually find the common denominator right here. So okay. So y equal to the common denominator is what? The common denominator for that is actually 2. So we do 2. So we'll do 1/2 x minus 3/2 over 2 minus, when you find the common denominator, that 2 becomes, the negative 2 becomes a 4, right? And then you do, oops. So on the bottom here, we get what? We get 2, right? So now we have a 2, right? Now we have a 2, and the equation of the line for this, in this case, is going to be what? The equation of the line is going to be 1/2 x minus 7/2, right? So that will be the equation of the line, right? So now, as you can see, that now we have a y-intercept, right? So all right, so that is the equation of the line. Now, how this will look if we plot that? So if we come here and we do if we do a Cartesian plane like this, oops, this is acting weird. Okay, so if we do a Cartesian plane, nope, this doesn't look like, doesn't look good at all. So if we do a Cartesian plane, if we would do a Cartesian plane right here, right? So okay, so let's say, for example, that you want to do a Cartesian plane, right? Like that, right? So and this is x, right? So this is x here, this is y, this is x. You know what? Let me do it right here, right? So okay, so we have the Cartesian plane. So we can actually see if we can plot that, right? Which is, it's hard to do it, but we can try. So let's say that we have 7/2, right? Negative 7/2, which is -3. It's about -3. So let's say that we have 1, we have 2, and 3, and 4, right? So it will intercept a y equaled, because remember that y equal mx plus b, right? So if y equal mx plus b, what did I do? Okay, undo erase. Okay, so if y equal mx plus b, then like this, right? So y equal mx plus b, then this is b right here. So b is a -3/2, which is going to be between here and here. So, and it's going to be a positive slope. So this will be like going like this. So it's going to be like going like this. All right. And so this is okay. So it's going to be going like that. And sorry guys, this is, for some reason, this is giving us some problems today, but the bottom line, it will go like this. So it will start at 3.5, and it will go like this, and of course here will go like that. Okay, so that will be the line. That doesn't look very, very horrible, but especially this piece over here. But the bottom line is this will continue just like that, right? So it will continue just like that. So it will continue just like that. Okay, so that looked better. So that will be the slope of the line, of that line, which is what? Which is y equal to 1/2 x minus 7/2, right? So that will be the equation for that line, right? So yeah, I mean, I hope you learned something in this video. Thank you for watching, and remember, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thank you for watching. And also remember, this is a conservative engineering academy. We learn here because God is good, because Jesus is good. That's all I'm about in this channel. Thank you for watching.